Hey buds! I don't know about you guys, but we sure got a lot of snow this winter. And we're actually pretty lucky because if we didn't have family members that would dig us out, we wouldn't be leaving our yard except by snowshoe. Canadian winters can put a little bit of a damper on the foraging fun. But lately I've been watching some videos on making maple syrup candy and Black Forager's latest snow cone video, which is awesome. She is great, by the way. Check her out if you haven't already. And I was realizing that we have an abundant resource we haven't been tapping into. But what could we use for flavoring? First, we need to make some simple syrup. I'm going to make 2 batches, one with spruce needles to embrace our winter foraging, and another with wild frozen blueberries. First, we start by making a nice infusion by simmering our flavoring ingredient in water for 15 minutes. Then you can strain out the material if you want. So these berries I've already simmered for a nice 15 minutes, and I'm going to leave them in my fruit syrup for extra fiber and flair. But I'll probably strain out the spruce needles because they could get a little pokey. Then you add an equal amount of sugar. For my syrups here, that means 2 cups of sugar to match the 2 cups of water. And yes, that's quite a bit of sugar. Don't eat it every day. Then we are going to boil this for 5 minutes before removing it from the heat. Then once they've cooled to room temperature, you can pour them into sterilized bottles. And if you have leftovers after this fun project, you can just store them in the fridge and use them on waffles or ice cream or whatever you like. So grab yourself a nice bowl or cup of nice clean snow. Then generously add on your tasty flavoring syrup. And boom goes the dynamite. You got yourself a bowl of fun there. All right, so I brought in the official taste tester here and we're gonna see if these are any good and which one we prefer. So he's got the spruce, I've got the blueberry.
All right. Oh yeah, that's really good.
Blueberry's refreshing, and I like that the fruit's still in there.
Yep. Yep, that's really...
What do you think about eating a tree?
It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're tree friendly?
Definitely tree friendly. I wasn't so much before, but over the last, several recipes that you've made for me involving trees, which are quite a few by now, definitely it's grown on me.
Nice. All right, I'll swap you. You can try this one.
All right. Yeah, that one has a really good flavor. It's just so good.
It's nice.
Yeah, this one's quite pleasant as well. Berries are so good.
Yeah. Well, they're both pretty refreshing.
They are. I can't tell which one I like better.
Actually, it's kind of a tie for me too.
At first I was thinking, oh, I'm going to definitely like the spruce one better, but
Yeah.
I can't tell. Like they're...
It's whatever mood you're in. But trees and berries are both good. Or do half and half.
Yeah, I would say.
That's the way to go.
More options, the better.
Well, there you have it. It's a fun family project. And we all got outside and got some fresh air, so give yourself a gold star.
Yep.
But avoid that yellow snow. It doesn't taste like lemon. Trust me on this one.